Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, you are welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Chef Angie.
And I'm Chef Cathy. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting. Yep, we made 200. Thank you. And since some of you have been wondering where the recipes are, please check in the description box. There is a link to all
of them, yeah.
all of them with the picture. You will indulge, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what are we doing?
So let's jump right in. Today we are making pizza. There are three parts to our pizza. The crust, the sauce, and the topping. The topping, any protein, and the cheese. For this case, we'll use mozzarella cheese. So first, the dough. We have flour, then we go in with our salt, then we have some yeast in there, then some warm water. Give it a good mix until the dough comes together. You can add some garlic powder as well. Then some olive oil. Yep, that's enough. It's about 1 teaspoon. Some more water until our dough comes together. When it comes together, we'll knead it until it becomes soft. It's good, doing a good job. We are done kneading our dough, so we are going to cover it, put it in a warm place, and allow it to cool. So we are done with our first part of the pizza. Now, second part, which is the sauce. So Chef Cathy, please, some oil in here. So for our ingredients, we have cooking oil. You add some more. Yeah, we have cooking oil, that's enough. We have some grated tomatoes. We have some tomato paste. Here we have Italian seasoning, oregano. We have some basil, we have some chili paprika, we have then onions, and yeah, so we heat the pan and then drizzle some oil. Then go in with, not all of them, that is okay, yeah. Some onion, cook them until they are soft. So we have ginger and garlic in there. It's good. They're good. Our tomatoes. We are making our pizza sauce again. So you cook down these tomatoes until they are soft. Yeah, so our tomatoes have softened, so we'll go in with our Italian seasoning. We have put some oregano in there, basil, paprika, and just a little chili. Then in goes the tomato paste. So this sauce is very easy to make. If you want, you can blend it. After here, you can blend it in the oven so that it's smooth. But we love ours chunky, so we will just let it reduce, and then you will spread it on the pizza just like this. So we are working with our third part of the pizza, and that's a protein. Yeah. What's your best protein for beef? A beef pizza?
Yeah.
Beautiful. But today we have chicken.
So
We need to eat that. Yeah. So we're going to give it some heat. We're going to add some barbecue sauce. Yeah. And this is a chicken breast. Yeah, boneless. We have some onions. We have garlic, ginger. We have cilantro, and our barbecue sauce. So in goes the oil. Please help me with the oil. Oil. So the kind of pizzas we are making today, we are going to make them tiny, for just maybe 2 bites. So to our chicken, we add some garlic, some onions, and crushing some black pepper. So you can use any toppings of the choice. You can use some sausages. You can use ground beef, any of your choice. Some leftover meat, chop them, and then just spread them over your pizza. Then just go in with some ketchup and our barbecue sauce. Wonderful. We'll finish it off with some chopped cilantro, and we are good to go. Our dough is ready. You can just deflate it. So Chef Cathy, we're going to make the mini pizzas.
I'm excited.
You're excited. So please help me roll it out. Just roll out this dough, and then we'll use our cookie cutter to flake out the round.
Okay, let's hold it in.
Okay, that's good. That is lovely. Roll out, good. Yes. So you can roll out thin because as it bakes, it will puff up. Yeah. Beautiful. So we'll cut out our circles. You can serve these at a cocktail, or you can have them for breakfast or brunch, whichever. Yeah. So we'll place them on our greased pan. So Chef Cathy is docking. This is why you poke holes just so to let out steam, and it will cook well. Yep, thank you. Add just a dollop of our pizza sauce, and then you use your pastry brush to spread it out evenly. Beautiful. You can always make your dough a day before. Keep it in the fridge after it has cooked. Keep it in the fridge. You can make your pizza sauce also a day before, and also your toppings, and all you are left with is just to spread out the dough and bake. Next, we'll sprinkle some mozzarella cheese. Please help me. Just some mozzarella cheese. We prefer mozzarella because it's stretchy. It's the preferred cheese for pizza. To add more flavor, maybe you could add. You could also use cheddar. Chef Cathy?
Yes, chef.
You can unmute.
There is a possibility.
I don't know if you are a fan of pizza. Ish.
Yeah.
Depends on the day, the time, the weather.
Everything in
Yes,
between.
everything in between. Next, our topping of choice today is our barbecue chicken. So just put not a very huge amount of it, just a little for the bites to taste the protein, the chicken. So for color and variety, we'll use some bell pepper. Yeah. Just use some bell pepper. You can choose to maybe have one with a theme of yellow, another one the theme of red bell to add some sweetness, and also some color. Before they go to the oven, we'll sprinkle a little oregano and also black pepper. So you can bake in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, degrees 180 degrees.
You're seasoning my hand.
Sorry.
I may as well.
Yeah, just a dash. So our pizza is ready. Our mini pizzas are ready, and we are ready to taste.
Yeah.
Yes, let's begin. Color. There's yellow, there's red. I'll go for green.
I'll also go for
I'm
green,
not
but-
going to be political.
looking
Okay.
for something a little bit small.
Okay. Cheers.
Wait a minute, chef.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. The pizzas. I'm even still trying to clear my body.
I like how they are rich and savory.
It was so rich.
Yes.
Savory.
Yes.
I like the chili, keto chili.
That's made you cook?
Yeah, the sauce,
Yes.
everything just came together and gave us something so delicious.
Yeah.
This is a recipe you should try out with your loved ones at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, like they said, the recipes are
Available.
in the description box. So as we go, what to tell you about 7-Star Culinary Institute in Intinda along Dr. Sarah Road. We are looking forward to the others intake starting now. So we have the certificates, diploma, short courses, kids courses,
Yes.
and any other thing you would think about nutrition, costing, etc. So come check us out, and we can't wait to see you here at the 7-Star Culinary Institute. For now, bye. See ya.